Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the door bin on your Frigidaire refrigerator. Now to do this you do not require any tools at all. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you might be looking at having to remove your door bin is typically it's done for cleaning purposes. Or through normal wear and tear, the door bins will crack and separate, so you may have to do it as a replacement. So the first thing we want to do is just open up the door of the Frigidaire refrigerator, remove any product that may be on it, and it's just a matter of taking hold from either side, lifting straight upwards, and pulling out. And that's how easy it is to remove the door bin on your Frigidaire refrigerator. Reinstallation is just as easy. Bring your door bin into place. Lower it down onto the notches on the door liner. Put your product back on, close your door, and you're good to go. So there you go. You can see just how easy it is to remove and replace the door bin on your Frigidaire refrigerator.